Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Figma to Wix Studio. We'll explore the most efficient and direct method, which involves using the official Figma to Wix Studio plugin. This powerful tool allows you to seamlessly transfer your design styles and individual frames, transforming your static Figma mockups into a dynamic, live website. Get ready to streamline your workflow and bring your creative visions to life with ease. Our first step is to install the necessary plugin. Open Figma and navigate to the Community section, then search for Figma to Wix Studio. Install this official plugin to your Figma account. Once installed, open your design file, activate the plugin, and follow the prompts to set up the export. You will then copy your Figma file's unique URL, which is crucial for the next stage of the connection process. Now, let's move over to Wix Studio. Open your desired project, whether it's a brand new canvas or an existing site. In the top left corner, click the Wix Studio logo to reveal the site menu. Hover over Tools and select Import from Figma. A panel will appear where you'll paste the Figma file URL you copied earlier. Complete the one-time authorization process to establish a secure connection between your Figma design and Wix Studio. With the connection established, you can now export your designs. Start by exporting your global styles, such as typography and color palettes, to maintain consistency across your site. Next, select individual top-level frames in Figma and export them. These can be imported into Wix Studio as full pages, distinct sections, or flexible containers. Remember to match your Figma frame width to Wix Studio's editing size, typically 1280 pixels, for optimal one-to-one results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.